10 degrees above zero, and I'm still working on Marduk. Since there's all this snow on the ground, it's probably going to make driving conditions a little wonky, so I decided to do a slight modification to Marduk's motor carriage. It might be hard to see at first glance, but instead of attaching the snow blower to the rear training wheels, or tip wheels, I instead attached the snow blower directly to the back of the front legs. And I also adjusted the tension bar, so as compared to beforehand, all of the weight is instead bearing down on the snowblower's wheels instead of these tipping wheels. And these tipping wheels are more for their intended purpose, which is to keep Marduk from tipping over if she leans too much from one side to side. I still have to work on getting the transmission rigged back up again because it's now about 2 feet further in, so that just puts my previous configuration entirely out the window. That is something to look forward to in the next drive test once I, do a bit of shoveling. And I got the idea for this motor mount actually from Talos. You can see his foot or shin sticking out right there. And I have a similar setup underneath. You can see there's a bar right there on the back of the legs for the second snowblower. Yeah, this one's actually a working one. Maybe I'll use this to clear some of the path because I haven't actually tried turning on the engine yet, so that's something to try. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and if you ever find yourself slipping, just try to get some more traction. See you next time.